Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've been practicing these 5 tips almost for 6 months now, and they really worked for me. So I thought why not sharing them with you guys. So in this video I am sharing 5 tips can give you noticeable results just in a week. So make sure to watch until the end. Let's begin our video. The first and best one is gua sha. This technique has been around for centuries in traditional Chinese medicine. This can help reduce puffiness and give you a natural glow. And also it gets your blood flowing and removes toxins. You can do it a few times a week and it's great for both morning and night routines. In the morning it makes you look more awake, while at night it relaxing and help your skin chill out after a long day. There are so many gua sha tutorials available on the internet, so you can find one that suits you the best and follow that tutorial in morning or night routine. Drinking fruit juice can significantly contribute to a healthy glowing complexion. Fruits are rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that nourish the skin from within. For example, vitamin C found in fruits like oranges and lemons promotes collagen production, helping to maintain skin elasticity and reduce wrinkles. Fruits like berries and pomegranates help protecting the skin from damage and promoting a youthful appearance. Juices from fruits like carrot and mangoes, which are rich in beta-carotene, can enhance the skin's natural glow and even out the skin tone. So if you want to even out your skin tone, try these too. The high water content in fruit juices helps keep the skin hydrated, which is crucial for maintaining a plump, radiant skin. Fruits like watermelon and cucumber are particularly effective in providing hydration. To maximize the benefits, opt for freshly squeezed juices without added sugars. So regularly incorporating a variety of fruit juices into your diet can help you achieve and maintain a healthy glowing skin. As for your skin, establish a little lip care routine for your lips. A good lip care routine is essential for keeping your lips soft, smooth, and healthy. Start by gently exfoliating your lips once or twice a week to remove dead skin cells. You can use a lip scrub made from sugar and honey. After exfoliating, always apply a moisturizing lip balm to keep your lips hydrated. Throughout the day, reapply the balm as needed, especially in a dry or cold weather. At night, use a thicker lip treatment or overnight lip mask to deeply nourish your lips while you sleep. Also drink plenty of water to stay hydrated from the inside out, and avoid licking your lips as this can cause dryness and irritation. If you wear lipstick, choose hydrating formulas and consider using a lip primer. This is my favorite one, aloe vera face mask. So to make this mask, take 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel from a fresh leaf and mix it with 1 tablespoon of honey. After applying the mask to your face, leave it on for 20 minutes. Then rinse off the mask with lukewarm water. You can use this mask 2 or 3 times a week for the best results. This aloe vera mask has so many benefits. It moisturizes the skin, soothes irritation, helps heal small cuts and acne, reduces wrinkles, and cleanses the skin. So as you can see, this mask is really effective, so give it a try. And also, if you're trying this kind of mask for the first time, make sure to do a patch test. So the last one is face icing. You can either wrap ice cubes in a soft cloth or buy a special roller from the store. This helps tighten up our pores, making them smaller and less likely to get clogged with dirt or oil. And also, it's great for reducing puffiness. You can do this a few times a week and it works whether you do it in the morning or at night. I personally prefer to do it in the morning, because in the morning it makes my skin more refreshed. Whether it's a part of your wake-up routine or wind-down routine, face icing can give your skin a nice boost. So these are our 5 tips. You can choose what's good for you and incorporate them. So that's it for today. See you in another video.